guys, and welcome to Forex Trading, your trading group. I'm Cash, my partner is Cram, and we're both here to teach you guys everything day trading and these markets to start making you profitable on a daily basis. Okay guys, just a disclaimer, we're not a buy or sell channel, so if you're looking for someone who's going to tell you when to buy and sell, then you're in the wrong place. But if you're here to learn about these markets and learn our profitable Forex trading strategy, then you're in the right place guys, because that's exactly what we do. Also, we're not financial advisors, so any risk that you take upon yourself. At any given point, don't be risking more than 1% of your capital. Okay guys, good morning everyone. Go ahead, first thing, go ahead and like the stream. Usually we don't get a lot of people for London. There are some people roaming around during New York, but for London we don't get those many people, but we're trying to still actively go live on YouTube as well. Okay guys, that would really thank you so much, Zero. That's so sweet. Thank you so much. Please go and check that link out. Please like our stream, and then we can start trading guys. I hope you all can see my screen. I'll get to the chats in some time. I just want to tell you what these markets are doing and what we're expecting. Okay guys, Friday. We know what Fridays are, what they do, what happens on Friday. I don't have to explain it further. Be extremely careful with the lots that you're putting and the kind of position that you're entering in with. Okay, I don't want you all losing your money that you made this week. This week was sort of choppy. We made pips. Okay, we had a lot of pips, but yes, everything made us wait, and it was sort of choppy, but yes, nonetheless we did it. So remember that whatever profits that you compounded during this week, you don't want to lose it on a Friday. Okay, Fridays are really choppy, so just be very careful about that. Also, look at this guys. I was shorting gold and it started to play out. Don't be entering in on sells right now at this point unless we break our daily support, but the buys look good to me at this point. Okay, Nasdaq, you see this gap, this candle just gapped down. DAX also looks like it's going to go down, but maybe for market open we could push up, hit our 4-inch resistance, maybe get some sellers from their heavy supply and go down for the sells. Okay, both Nasdaq and DAX. Okay,
gold also.
And gold, if anyone is trading gold, I remember I told you all that I shouldn't be that I'll be marking GBP USD, but I think Ram already did GBP USD for you all yesterday, so I was like, okay, maybe for just one day we'll just stick with gold and see what we get. Gold is trying to do something guys. Gold is trying to make something. Okay, if that happens, we're maybe trying to push up. Okay, look at German 30 guys. If this breaks, this will be a good break of structure from here. Okay, look on the left, but again we need volume for that sort of move to happen. And for London and on Friday, we don't get that much volume, but I don't know, anything can happen in these markets. Maybe we'll get some volume guys, let's see. Good morning guys, good morning everyone. Hope you all are doing well. Last trading day, and then we're gonna chill, and that's it. We're not gonna look at markets. How many people do we have? We have 21 people. That's good. Anyway, this is Friday. A lot of people, a lot of traders. There are so many traders. There was a time at one point when I had started, I was really scared of Fridays and Mondays, because that was the time so Fridays I would get scared, I would trade and my trades would not hit when I started as a beginner. And on Mondays I would just like lose, and I'd be like, what is happening with you? What is happening with you? And then I started to learn these markets, how they move, and how I'm supposed to trade every different market with a different sort of I don't know, approach to it, I would say, because the strategy that we're using is the same, but the kind of trades that you're going to take, the kind of positions that you'll have, and the way you're going to calculate when you're going to exit according to your account is going to be really different. And those are the things that I started to learn later on when I started trading more and more and started trading these two different sessions. I've traded a little bit of Tokyo, but I don't like that. It's sort of choppy, and there is not really that much of a movement unless we have red folders opening up, big folders opening up. Okay guys, so yeah, coming to that, I would not trade Mondays and Fridays. For the longest time I didn't. I'm so sorry guys. My dog, you can see, he's going crazy. He's barking whenever the bell rings. Both our dogs, they go crazy, and they just want to see who's there. They just want to protect us. Yes, JJ, yeah. Fridays and Mondays, guys. Okay, gold is trying, guys. Look at that. Supply zone. Guys, look at gold. Let me just slightly. Yeah, that's good. Gold is trying, guys, but we're getting rejected from our supply zone. Look at this candle. Maybe for market open, we push up, we get some volume, but we are again testing 50, so we can get some sort of retracement down as well. Okay, just be very, very careful. Again, Fridays and these kind of moves don't tell me that we should be entering in with big positions. If you want to experiment, if you want to go around and see what's happening in the markets, just put a feeler in. Okay, just feel these markets, and that's it. That's what you need to do. And then maybe one day, like I found Nasdaq for me, maybe you'll find an instrument for yourself that you love to trade, and you will trade that for the rest of your life. Like I've decided I'm only going to trade Nasdaq. I mean, for London here and there, because I'm trading with you all, everything. I trade DAX as well, because DAX is also an index and it moves really, really, really well for London, guys. So I trade DAX here and there, but for me, Nasdaq is everything. I haven't traded anything else in 3 years. I mean, a little bit here and there, but my focus is on Nasdaq. Nasdaq gives me money for New York. I love Nasdaq, how it moves during New York, and that's what I love to trade. And I know that I'm going to trade this instrument for the rest of my life, because I understand how it breathes. Like I know when it's going to move. I know when it's going to go up, down. I just know it. I know it in my bones, because I've seen Nasdaq that much. I've seen it that much. So the more time you spend on these markets, even if you're not trading on Fridays or Mondays, but you're just coming and observing these markets, it's going to help you a lot. You're going to find a pair for yourself that you're going to trade for the rest of your life, and it'll be amazing, guys. That's it. You will know the instrument inside out. And what else do you need? You don't need to run after 3-4 instruments, like Cram keeps saying all the time, that you don't need to run after 3-4 instruments. Just one instrument, and you juice it out. That's what I do. I juice out the whole move. I'm not trading anything else during New York. You guys have seen me trade nothing else. Just go back and see if I've traded something else for New York. I don't. Even if Nasdaq is choppy, I'll just put in feelers, very small positions. I'll make money, and I'll make my money. Okay, gold, guys. What? Okay, guys, DAX is also trying. We're trying to approach our 4H resistance. Just 1 second. Yeah, babe.
Bring the mailbox on DAX down.
15-minute resistance I'm putting. Also, guys, for DAX, because I'm not seeing that much movement, and for our buys to hit, it's a very, very big zone. So if you want to get in and get out, just a zone. You can get in and get out if you want. If you want to test it with your feelers and then get onto original buys, you can do that as well. But this is where I think we should start going up. Okay, they're trying to make something. What are they making? One-on-ones? What's happening over here? One-on-ones, I'm asking you all. What is DAX trying to do at this point? Okay, want to see gold? Okay, guys, gold is getting rejected from our supply zone. Let's see.
Bring the gold by sell one zone down, because it's before market open down. Big zone niche.
Also, guys, this is moving crazy, so I would want to bring the cells down here. Okay, I mean, safer cells are obviously going to be below our daily support. But you can fill this wick. We can fill this whole zone. We can fill the wick. We can do something like that. But the cells over here were not looking comfortable, good to me, because this is market open. You want to see DAX? Okay, DAX is trying to go down, so is Nasdaq, guys. Let's see. Is anyone trading anything at this time? Let me see. let's look at the EMAs. Okay, guys, be very, very careful. Okay, we have our 200 EMA sitting in our zone, in our green box above our daily supply. Okay, be very, very careful. And remember, Nasdaq sells below the demand zone. Don't be entering in from 4-8 support. Yes, that is a break of structure, but you all, okay, if someone wants to do that, go ahead, fill the wick, get in and get out if you want to do that. But the bigger break of structure is going to be below our demand zone. Okay, be very careful. We have about 2 minutes to market open, 1.5 minute. Okay, I can see some messages. Nothing at the moment. Okay, that's good. Guys, irrespective of whether you're trading or not, even if you just sit on these charts and understand how they're moving, that's it. You don't have to trade every day. If you think Fridays are not for you, don't trade Fridays. Don't trade Mondays. Just trade for 3 to 4 days and that's it. You don't have to trade. If you're done with your profit target for the week, I hope you all have a profit target for the week as well. If you're done with that, you don't have to trade anymore. You don't have to overtrade, but you can always learn from these markets. Okay, DAX is trying, guys, but we're getting some sort of support from 4H resistance. We need to break that. Let me look at gold. Just 1 second, guys.
And then I'm putting a DAX sell stop. Go to DAX. Jaldi bhi. DAX sell stop at the lowest point over there and I'll get triggered anytime.
Yep.
Jaldi.
Okay, guys, I was just looking at DAX. It looks good to me. I'm just going to put a sell stop and I'm going to get triggered. Okay. Let's see. Market open, guys. Okay. Let's see. Just, okay, we're picking support. Okay, guys, if we don't get rejected from our 15-minute support, chances are we're pushing up. 15-minute resistance. Chances are we're pushing up on DAX. Okay? Feelers at this point.
Gold.
Okay, I'm going to check gold. Maybe you want to see gold. Gold is trying to go down. It's in our sell area, but remember that the bigger structure is below our daily support. At this point, if you should be in anything, it should be a feeler. Okay? Okay? DAX and Nasdaq both got support from 4H support. They got buyers over there. Wait, guys, you know how DAX moves? It's crazy. For London, it'll go up, it'll go down, it will have long wicks, and then it's going to do the same thing that it wanted to do. Price action. They're just manipulating us. You don't have to trade this. Wait for 5 minutes for this chop to finish off. And like yesterday, I told you all something, that London gives you time to understand what the market is going to do. So just try to understand, listen, look at that, not listen, just listen to me and look at the candles. Try to understand what story they're trying to tell us. What is the story behind this? They're preparing you for the move. Just wait for 5 minutes and I'm sure you'll get your move. Okay? This is just an impulse at this point, guys. Nothing is closing in any of our boxes. But look at gold. Gold also, there is no movement. I'm very disappointed in gold. I really don't want to chart gold also, but I always end up because I know people like to trade gold. We're trying. Maybe we go down and we fill this wick. If you want to get in for these penny pips, of course you can. Not an issue.
DAX is going bullish, man.
DAX is going bullish. This is an impulse, guys. If we break our 4H resistance, maybe we can go to our daily resistance as well, but no big positions. Friday, okay? It's a Friday. Okay? If it breaks 4H resistance,
Buys above.
okay, the buys are, now I'm extending the buys to here, guys, okay? This was our original buy anyway, and if we break this, we're filling this wick. You see the wick on the left? This is crazy, guys. Okay. Is anyone trading this? This is a very beautiful impulse though. Is anyone trading this? Okay, we're getting some sort of sellers. Guys, okay. Let's see. I'm looking at DAX, guys. That's what I'm looking at. I've put in positions here and there. Let's see. Okay. Getting rejected. But you see, guys, how the impulses also on London, they're slow. They're not as fast. Yep, in honor Corolla, 0. I hope you have your risk management in place, because this could just completely go down and go ahead for the sells. I don't know. Fridays, choppy. Yep, on a break even. That's amazing. Look at that, guys. We're getting rejected from our 4H resistance. We need to close with the... So the buys above our 4H resistance were original buys. Big breakup structure. But I just gave it to you all because I saw the opportunity, because some people like to trade in the zone. But we need to close above our 4H resistance to be able to fill this wick on the left and go to daily resistance. You all understand that? This wick you all see on the left, we can fill this wick. Guys, I'm running about 1400 on 2000 on DAX, guys. I told 3400, guys. 4. Okay, I'm liquidating my positions, guys. I don't want to. Okay. Guys, after closing my positions, I'm still running about $1,700. Okay, maybe we're going, okay, 3,500. I think we're going to go push up to our daily resistance. I hope you all are back. 4,400, guys. This is 4,800. Okay, I don't want to risk my positions. I am done. Okay, I caught this impulse. I'm really happy, and the position that I've left running is already giving me $700. I'm putting it on break even. If it falls, it falls. I've made what I had to make, and I'm happy it's giving me 1,500. I think I should remove it. Okay, it's pushing up. Let's see, guys. We're getting rejected from daily supply. I'm going to put it on break even so I don't have to worry about it. I made what I had to make, but if it pushes up, I'm going to make some more. Okay, amazing, guys. Who's banking on this? 1,700 on the position that I left for DAX, guys. This is beautiful. Okay, guys, I'm gonna take it out. I'm not gonna wait. It's fine. I was not expecting. I closed this position on 1,400, the last position. Okay, now it has to push up because I closed my position. But I'm done, guys. I'm not gonna be greedy in these markets. This is a Friday anyway.
Say Cram is sending my position.
And also, guys, Cram is gonna send my position to you guys. Also, babe, actually take my phone away from me because I really don't want to trade no more. I really don't want to, guys. Friday, I'm done. It's a Friday. I don't want to trade no more. I don't want to do anything. I'm just gonna chill today. I think my weekend is gonna start from now only. But look at that rejection, guys. Look at that rejection. Okay. Did anyone catch that? Okay, guys, we're going down. Maybe we could go down. Did anyone catch that? That was a very slow impulse, guys. That was not like New York. That impulse was like very slow impulse. Like in the beginning when I saw that, I was like, whatever. I was not sure about it. But then when I understood how it was breathing.
The cells could be kicking in.
Also, guys, the sells could be kicking in. So if you did not make it on the buys, you can make money on the sells. Okay? But at this moment, we're catching support from 15-minute resistance over here. Okay? Like I told you all, we could go down to test 50 on the RSI. Nasdaq did not do anything. Gold, guys! Oh my god, did anyone see gold? Did anyone see gold, guys? Gold fell. Yes. Okay. That's good. Gold did something. Guys, I think Ram just shared my position. Also, guys, chances are, if this falls and it breaks this wick, we're going down, guys. Look, let me look at the RSI. Okay, gold has potential to go down further, but be very, very careful because we've got some support over here, um, probably from a bigger time frame. Also, guys, is anyone new over here? To start trading, you all need to have a MetaTrader account. You need to have MetaTrader on your phone or on your PC. I guess some people are new here, 1 or 2 people, but I'm just going to tell you anyway. And this is where we're doing our analysis. You see these lines, these are support and demand zones. This is TradingView. This is where we do our analysis, and MetaTrader is a platform where we take our trades. It could be either on your phone or on your PC, whatever that you're comfortable with. And also, if you want to go in depth and understand what we're doing here, because obviously these basics and everything to understand and to tell you on right now, it's going to take too much time. But for that only reason, we have one-on-one mentorship program with Cram. He's amazing at what he does. There are so many testimonials out there that you can read about him. He's the best teacher out there. He has taught me for 7 years. He's amazing at what he does. He's the best teacher out there. So if you want to learn how we make money, how we make pips, and how we understand these markets and learn these markets together, please go ahead and join the one-on-one mentorship program with Cram. And for that, you all need to message me, guys. And otherwise also, I've told you guys yesterday also, I told you all that if there is some issue, if you can't reach him, he's not replying, because sorry guys, he has so many DMs. For that, message me. Okay, for one-on-ones, please message me, because I want queries to go through me. He sometimes forgets. And just 1 second, guys. I can see. Oh. Okay, guys. So for one-on-ones, you all need to DM me. And if otherwise also you have any questions or anything that you want to ask and you want to get in touch with Cram, please message me. I'm there to help you guys. Okay? Wow, this is my first session, and oh my god, I caught the up and down. That's amazing. That's amazing. But I hope you know what you're doing, because if you're not, then it's going to be really, really bad. Okay? Okay, guys, what's happening? Look at gold. We got support, like I told you all. Maybe we are catching support from some higher time frame. I'm gonna wait for another 5 minutes, guys, for the next 15-minute momentum, and after that, I'm gonna give you my levels, and you can trade with those levels. Like you all know, these areas are going to hit. I promise you that. Like yesterday, DAX moved crazy. DAX gave us buys and sells both, after market open and for market open. I think Nasdaq also moved. Everything moved, guys. It was beautiful. So please, if you're trading after the session or whenever before the New York market open, please trade with these levels, okay? Because these levels are going to stay. These levels are also marked according to the market open for London. So these are important, strong levels. So just stay there, okay? Just keep these levels with you. Maybe we're going in for sells. Maybe we could go down. Nasdaq is also trying, but nothing is happening. We're catching support.
I think they're flying to Dubai next on Monday for a week, so there's not going to be London. Maybe Japan will take it, maybe not, but mostly not. Then we back up Dubai.
You and I.
You. Oh.
Also, guys, yeah, just Cram just reminded me. I'm traveling, guys, to Dubai. I won't be there for another week. So London market, I don't know. I'll try my best to be able to come live for you all, or give at least my levels to you all. I'm not promising you anything, but probably London will be choppy for the next week. I might not be there for the lives, but New York is definitely going to be there, okay? New York market open is definitely going to be there. Cram is going to be there. It's only me who's traveling. So when I'm back, we're definitely going to have sessions like we're having everyday live sessions according to the volume in these markets. But for the next week, it's going to be choppy for me to come live, guys. I'm really busy with some work. So that's it, guys. I'm gonna wait for another 3 minutes, guys. That's all, and see. Nice W on DAX, 0.7%. That's amazing. That's amazing. Congratulations. Start compounding, guys. Make some here, maybe like 0.3% or whatever. Make something here, and then make your whatever your target is. If it's like 0.5% today, then make maybe 2 here and 3 there. And if you have 1%, then maybe 0.7 and 0.3 and 0.7. I don't know. It's up to you guys. But congratulations whoever is banking on these setups, because guys, once you start to trade London, you'll realize that London will give you time to realize what's happening. That, oh, it's giving me chance to get out, it's giving me chance to get in. That's how London moves. That's how I also made pips on this session today. But with New York, it's crazy. The volume is beautiful, but if you don't know exactly what you're doing, oh god, it can wipe up your account completely. So don't be doing that mistake. London, if you're starting to trade, okay, you need a lot of patience to trade London. But look at that, guys. Maybe we could go down to fill this wick, and if we break this, we're going down. But this is a big break of structure. There's a lot of, could go down to here. Guys, what are they trying to make on gold? One-on-ones? Tell me. Nobody knows? And nobody's gonna miss me except for Cram. Yes, Damien, it's inverse head and shoulders. That's what we're trying to make. Earlier we were trying to make something else, but that didn't work out, because these chart patterns, like you all know, they're always changing. A double top is becoming a double bottom is becoming a double top, continuation pattern are turning into reversal patterns, and so on and so forth. And these markets are ever changing, so we don't know what's happening when. Okay, Nasdaq fell a little. Like I told you all, the people who want to just trade the small zone, they could have done that from 4H to our demand zone to daily support, and now if we break our daily support, we could go down. Look at DAX also, guys. It's trying to go down.
Where the chats for?
Ah, that's so sweet. The bubbly energy for the morning. Yes, I'm a very sweet person, I know that. No, I'm just kidding. Ask Cram how sweet I am. And we're going to miss you. Ah, thank you so much. Thank you, guys. You're damn sweet. Really, I was just pulling your leg. I know. Okay, guys, look at Nasdaq. Look at Nasdaq. Nasdaq is doing something. Okay, maybe we can go. I'm not trading this. I'm done, guys, for today. I'm not trading this. But look at that. German 30 is also approaching our sell area. But be very, very careful. We need to break these wicks, and then maybe we can drop down to our daily support. Okay, but Nasdaq is trying. Let me look at gold. Gold is also trying, but again, we need to break this with momentum to fill this wick. So if anyone who's trading gold, the TP should be here. Okay. What, babe? Okay. Okay, guys, that's it. Nasdaq is falling. German 30 is also trying to fall. Be very, very careful. This is just an impulse at this point on Nasdaq. This is 15-minute momentum that entered in. If you're trading this, be very, very careful, guys. But other than that, guys, I am done trading. I don't want to trade no more, and you all have my levels. If you're trading this, be very, very careful. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for today's session. Look at DAX also falling, guys. And also, if you want to learn what we're doing, I know this can be alien to some people. How are we understanding what these candles are doing? Look at DAX and Nasdaq, what these candles are doing. But we do, because we're technical traders, and to learn technical analysis, please come join our live sessions, London and New York. And to better understand these knowledge, these markets, and to trade with us live, please go ahead, trade like us, live with us. Go ahead and join our one-on-one mentorship program with CramFX, CramFX fan for that. Please DM me. He has a lot of messages. but I will definitely reply to your message. Thank you so much, guys. I think these sales are kicking in, but be very, very careful. It was a very, very good session. I will see you all for New York. Thank you so much, guys. I'm not sure about the next week, but I'll keep you all updated. Thank you so much, guys, for turning up. Really, really means a lot to me. Bye, guys.